What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's app review is a little bit different. We're going to be doing a portfolio review, so let's get right into it. So this portfolio review is for Mahbub. Sorry, I don't quite know how to pronounce your name, but Mr. Hasan, I suppose we can say. This is actually the first time I'm on the site, so I'll be giving you my very first impressions here. First thing I will say is you have nothing over here. There's nothing on the right hand side here, so I'm wondering if that is different on mobile, which we can go ahead and look at this kind of on both mobile and regular. This tool is nice in Chrome, so it seems you more or less developed this for mobile because the mobile version definitely fits the screen better. However, on your desktop version, you don't really have anything over here, and it's just dead space, so I feel like you can actually utilize that pretty well. None of your buttons seem to be working, so I'm clicking the download CSV or download CV here, and nothing's happening. I'm also clicking contact me, and nothing's happening. Looks like your site is built with Dart, so I'm wondering if you're using Flutter, like Flutter for this, which Flutter Web I don't think is. I guess with Flutter 2.0, this is now, Flutter Web is more or less stable now, but I think you submit this quite a bit of time ago, so I don't believe that this would have been using Flutter 2.0. So if we click the About, okay, that makes sense. If you click the About, then content comes up over here. Definitely, I would recommend already having the About or one of these things clicked and have that content already loaded over here. This makes sense to keep the About, like to have the About here. Like this should be the main state of your page when the app loads. These seem like they should have pictures or the demo body here. I'm not quite sure what that means. Is that just placeholder? I would put images here. I think that would look a lot better. And yeah, it seems like, I mean, it seems like this is definitely not ready then if you have demo body here. So my guess is either you found this site somewhere and you're using their code and modifying it and it's kind of placeholder text, or you just have placeholder text there right now. I also don't think that this About really is telling us anything about you, and it's not really telling us anything actually if you think about it. It says education. There's not. I mean, maybe you just don't have the information in here yet. But there's, I don't know. It's just basically words. Android, Python, Works, Flutter study. So that I think definitely needs a lot of work. If we click gallery here, I'm not sure what this gallery is supposed to represent. Are these designs that you made? Or these pictures? Just pictures that you like from the internet. Probably having some sort of caption below each one would be useful to tell us what is actually going on here. If we click on work, how to hack Android games. So first off, this font immediately makes the site kind of look like a joke, to be honest with you. If you're trying to come off as professional, this is not the font to use. And yeah, but this is cool. I mean, it seems like you have articles, although maybe they're not really articles, they're just more like these shorter paragraphs, although this one's quite long. All right, moving on to the blog. So the blog and the work seem kind of similar. So I'm wondering what the difference here is, because I see this draw any shape in Flutter is there and it was on the other one. Basically it's the same content. I don't think you need to have both of them. I like the format of the blog better, where you can kind of scroll outside and then scroll within as well. Although it might be nice if you can click and this just opens up on a new page. And let's try the contact here. So looks like there's a bit of an issue with Google Maps. I don't know if that's from my browser or from the way you have it set up, but yeah, here is this information. Here is your contact information, and you do have a contact form here. None of these links I guess these links are maybe the same as the links on the left here, but none of these are working if they're supposed to be links. They look like links. So yeah, definitely this site is a good start. I think you have a lot of room for improvement though. I also don't really think with the content of this page and what this page is that using Flutter or Dart is necessarily the best tool for this. So one thing you always want to be keeping in mind is using the best software or using the best framework for what you're trying to build. So if this was a mobile app and you were trying to build a mobile app, then definitely I would recommend Flutter. But if you're trying to build kind of a simple web page as this is, I don't think Flutter is the best choice. There are better choices out there. All right. If you have a app or portfolio that you would like me to review, you can submit that at onemanstartup.com/review. All right, ciao for now.